I lie down, I ain't getting up again, so that works. Yeah. Yeah, that works. Right, so yeah, it feels like it's pulling a bit tight. That could be the underquilt. Like I say, the underquilt is it's for a standard hammock. It's a cheap one. I think it's 21 quid, including shipping, the underquilt. But most hammocks are 2.4 meters long. This one's 3. This is a 2-person one. So that could be the reason. I've extended it out the arse end a little bit, so it's better. Yeah, I'm kind of on the level, so it's alright. Yeah, that should be pretty much alright. All I'm going to do now, really, is the brown cord that I was going to chop up into lengths. I will do eventually, and I'll tie it on to these, probably 1 meter length. I need to put a cord, really, if I've got enough, from that tree to that tree down there. So I've got a nice line that it's that far away from the hammock, so it's not going to be hitting into the metal underbrow wire bit thing, but close enough I can reach it, so I can get out the hammock and so I can hang the Bergen on it. I like having the Bergen where I can see it, just in case some fucker comes. It's habit. You get into a habit whereby when you go to sleep, you have something close by at hand that you can grab to defend yourself. I'm not saying I've got Kalashnikovs and fucking nuclear weapons in my bedroom, but I do have things like my cat training toy next to the bed, which is very effective at 3 meters if it's a smackhead trying to do shit outside your bedroom window. I got blind. He's not Indian, he's from Cuba, but still. Anyway, yeah, that is a good sized tarp. It's not really any heavier than the polyplastic. I do feel a bit more claustrophobic because it's a solid layer. But if it were to rain, all I'd have to do is take it off the twig on that side, take it off the twig on this side, and then it would just drop down flat. Well, not flat, but it would drop down. So I've got the cord either side of the hammock. So it would sit on either side of it, so the rain wouldn't reach me. Bug off, bugger. So yes, this could be my new permanent setup, my new permanent location. The only issue is that the footpath is just down there, maybe 20 meters just down that slope. I don't know if anyone's going to be able to see it, but the issue is it's a solid colour. That's what makes things more visible, when you get a solid colour, not a broken colour. I'm not going down a camouflage route, it's not fucking Beirut. And now and again you get people walking up through the woods there. It's not often because it's a dodgy track. But yeah. I'll see how much of that brown cord I got left. I don't think it's going to reach. next time I'll bring either some more of the short length stuff, it's like 3 meters long or 4 meters long, or I might bring. I've got two or three that are, I think, 30 meter. I can't remember. I've not actually measured them, but they're fucking substantial. So yeah, that's not a bad setup. I could hang the Bergen on the cord on this side. I mean, it holds my weight. I just dangled from it. So I could put the Bergen on that, and that way I can hang stuff on there. Like, I don't have a radio to hang on. I don't have torches to hang on it. It's just a Bergen. So I got the heavyweight things. Not very much today, actually. Bottle of water, bottle of spirits. Because I don't like keeping my phone in the hammock. For the very simple reason, I'm a fat fuck and I don't want to snap it when I roll over. And if you have it in the outside pocket on the hammock, it disfigures the hammock because that weight balance it pulls it down. So having it in the Bergen, in the pocket, it's only half a metre from me. There's something coming through the trees. Something's heavy-ish. Sheep or bigger. Could be a farmer. It's not actually private land here, it's National Trust, so they can't do fuck all anyway, other than whinge. And try to cut your fucking ropes in the night. Cunts it up to me, I'm gonna fucking stab them. It's a hammock, not a tent. Yeah, that's quite concerned about the twiggy bits here, but nothing underneath, and that's fine. It would be better if it was pulled tight. That way the rain runs off instead of pooling and gathering. And that way it's got more wind resistance if it's tighter. But it's not winter. It's not the Arctic. Believe me, I spent nearly 20 years on a fucking mountain. This can handle a bit of inclement weather. That's worth it. 30 quid. I think it was 30 or 31, I can't remember. They keep changing the prices on AliExpress. They change it. Literally, as you're looking at it, the price can change. A good example is the still. I just bought a still, which works. There's a couple of bits that are broken when I had it, and it took 6 weeks to get to me. But the original price on the still was 379. When I clicked on it, it went to 334. Sorry, 334. And then when I got to the checkout, it said 312. And then by the time I actually clicked on pay, it was 279. So it literally dropped about 100 quid just whilst I was buying it. And the nice thing is that you don't always have to tell them there's a discount. They will tell you, because AliExpress actually said, well, there's actually another discount we've got on the go at the moment, so you're going to get 30 quid off on top of the other discounts. So yeah, in the end, that still cost me 279. There's one of the little things that's broken. It's like, for measuring alcohol density, but they're really fragile little things. And there was a dent in it, but this could have been done by customs, because customs are cunts. And but yeah, it seems to work all right. May have lost about a litre of vodka on the kitchen floor, but that was my fault. Next, I'm going to be buying some more treats for it. I'm going to get one of those clear glass sections you can put on the upspout. It's not so much that I want to see the steam going up, or that it is pretty. What I want to do is either get a bubble plate, or just pack it with copper mesh. Because I've got copper mesh. It's not for distilling, it's for anti-slugs, but you can use it for the same thing. But if I put the copper mesh in there, that helps give it helps to purify it, add the sulfur and stuff. So, hammock done. Not much more to do to it, really. I seriously don't think, I don't think there's anything more to do other than crash out. Make a change, no radio. Don't fall over.